in the Cauliflower Kitchen. It's Stephanie and Rachel with a very, very special guest. We're here in Nashville, so we're keeping it live with country music singers, and it's
Macy Martin.
Hi! I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited.
Ever since you walked into this kitchen, you have like this glow about you.
My gosh,
I love people like that.
Thank you. Y'all are so fun, and I'm just so excited to learn how to cook.
Yay!
With our pizza crust.
Well, we were talking a little bit earlier, and you are not only, you're a singer, but you're also a student.
Yes.
So you probably don't have a ton of time in the kitchen, right?
No, like between music and school and just homework, and also I have 2 dogs. I mean, that's like having children. So between all of the things, it's so hard to, find the time to actually plan and prep a meal and devote the time to cook it.
Oh, absolutely.
And also just cooking for one. You know, it's so hard about portion sizes and all that kind of stuff.
Absolutely.
Well, and making healthy choices, right? That still taste good.
And if you've ever tried to make a cauliflower pizza crust from scratch, which is, I've done it, and this is how our founder, Amy, it's how she created it. It takes forever.
Yeah.
And people just don't have time for that. We're busy.
Mm.
So one of the great things about our product, a little education for you, is that they're kept in the freezer, no preservatives, no additives. You're just going to take that bad boy out of the freezer, toast it up, and so we've done that for you right now. 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, so it comes out nice and crisp. So it's kind of like ready to go.
Love.
And this entire crust is only 180 calories.
That's amazing.
6 carbs, 15 grams of protein, and you're going to taste it. You're going to be like,
that's amazing. It just blows my mind. It blows my mind.
So today I've kind of come up with a recipe that reminds me of a sandwich, and again, our crust could be a sandwich kind of vehicle. So it's going to be a kind of a fun play. So we're going to get you hands-on. Okay. So first of all, we're going to get a little bit of Dijon mustard, probably about, so you're going to take a little bit of Dijon. I'm going to let you do that.
Okay.
And just, to preference, about a tablespoon. You don't have to be heavy-handed. Just kind of give a little bit all over the crust, just so you kind of have that flavor. And it's gonna be like kind of a fun melted like ham and cheese apple sandwich.
Yes,
I love the Dijon mustard because it's like it has that almost like a tang.
It is a tang,
yes.
So the great thing about this sandwich is gonna have a little bit of savory and sweet and some fresh herbs. Kind of reminds me of the holidays. Yeah, perfect, awesome. And then the next thing we're gonna have you do is then take a little bit of apricot preserves. So kind of just take that and kind of smear it around on top of that, or a little dollops, so we get a little bit of that all over.
Ooh, so this is not sweet and tangy.
I love.
That's what I'm saying. It's going to hit you on either end of the whole flavor spectrum. So ooh,
so nice.
I love covering all those areas.
I'm the type of girl that mixes my mashed potatoes with my meat and my vegetables, and makes I love like a food party.
Oh my goodness, yes, yes.
So just kind of take that out.
Okay.
So just have it kind of smeared out. My favorite word is smear. So we're going to smear a little bit.
She says it all the time.
I know. It there's no other way to describe it.
No.
So then, now we're going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. You don't have to be heavy-handed, so just kind of dance that across the crust there. Perfect.
I go a little heavier handed.
Well, because we're going to be
we like the cheese.
Well, we're going to put 2 different layers of cheese on it. We're starting off with a mozzarella, and that looks good. You can add a little bit more. Perfect.
There we go.
All right, and then next we're going to add some nice thin deli ham. So we just kind of drape that all over the place. You can put it in little piles, however you like it. A little heavier.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So you're getting a lot of protein. It's lean meat. You can pile a little bit more on.
So when you feel like having a sandwich,
right?
And when you're cutting carbs, you miss sandwiches.
Bread is a friend,
right?
It's comfort food, but in college, we want to watch that.
Oh yes,
and so we definitely want to.
I gained. They say you're freshman 15. I gained mine plus 2 of my friends 15s. It was not pretty at all.
So, yeah, you got to watch that. So the balance. So then now another added part will be adding some thin slices of Granny Smith apples. So you can arrange those any way you like. If you want to just fan some out.
Yes. Oh my God, this is fun because if you have people over, you could do a little design or something.
Oh, totally. You can make it really fancy.
Fun. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, and that's a nice way too. You can go around in a ring. That's good.
Right. You could make a little flower eventually or something. I
have done that with strawberries on one of our pizza crusts. I mean, you have to check out the recipes that we offer. Yeah. Go ahead and throw a few more.
Speaking of, make sure you stop and subscribe to this channel because we have a ton of other recipes.
Oh gosh.
They come out once a week, and you're going to want that little bing notification that says, "Oh my goodness, Cauliflower has their new recipe out."
Totally.
It's amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. No, this is gonna rock your world. So all right. So then that's fine. But again, one of the fun things that I have found that complements the The apples is a Gruyere cheese. So, you know, I know it's a tough one.
We'll let you.
Yeah. It's kind of like a Swiss cheese. You could use Swiss cheese on top of there.
This would be great for my mom, is what my mom loves Swiss cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
You know, it is. It's really good. You know, a lot of times, like with apple pie, they'll, you know, ask if you want like cheese on it. Have you had it like that? So it is. Yeah. It's a little bit of tang. So
I've never had that.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's
yeah.
Really?
See, my dad, he's from Arkansas, so my grandma, she does all like the fun cooking things like that. She's good at the pies.
So awesome. And then the final touch will be a tiny bit of rosemary, just you know, sprinkled around on top. And
did you grow up in the South?
I did. I grew up down in Texas, so in a college town actually. So yeah.
Okay.
Always
fun.
So Rachel, that's ready to go.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna stick this in and let it heat up for just a minute while we find out what Macy has going on these days. Now, I hear that you have a new single coming out.
I do, March 2nd. I'm so excited.
All right.
It's called Take It Now, and it's just super upbeat, and it's about like any kind of love, young love, but it's at that moment where you're like, okay, like let's get to the business, and you can take it now. Like take my heart, take my time, take all, I love it. It's super relatable and super fun. It's just upbeat and happy, which is what we all need. You know
what?
Absolutely.
We need more love in the world.
I was listening to some of your music on your Instagram, which is a great way if you want some beautiful music in your ears.
Well,
go check
thank
out
you.
her Instagram.
Instagram's also my favorite social media platform, so love Instagram.
Me too. And you have this beautiful voice, but when you sing, you have this gorgeous smile.
It's an aura, right? You invite us
in.
in. So I mean, you draw people in.
Thank you. Y'all are so sweet. I'm just so excited.
This is awesome. You know what? March 2nd, you know, by the time this airs, it might actually line up right around then. So you could actually just hop off this video as soon as we're done. And
go to iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music, Google Play, all the things, and check it out.
I will be downloading it.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
I have it put as a memory on my phone so that I will remember. All right.
I have so many reminders always on my phone.
All right, so the wonders. So we basically popped that back in and kind of like toasted it off.
So beautiful.
So I just pull that off just like that.
All right. You got it?
So beautiful.
All right.
Oh, you know what? See these little pieces of cheese that are a little crispy? Those are my favorite things in the world.
Yeah, it's like almost like a cheese crisp on the side. Would you like to sample?
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Let's make this happen.
Yeah.
Love.
So the crusts are really versatile. So I mean, you don't have to go, you know, this fancy, although it's not really that fancy. A lot of stuff is already in your fridge. You don't have to go crazy with the crazy cheese. You can do Swiss cheese, mozzarella cheese.
If you want more traditional, like pepperoni, you can do that. I mean, you can do so many things.
Totally. All right.
Yum.
Let us know. Oh my gosh, is it amazing? Oh, you're so sweet. It is
amazing.
Yay!
That's so good.
Victory is ours.
Your first pizza, and it is fantastic.
So wonderful. I'm like, can I just keep eating?
Yeah, you can totally
You can absolutely. Well, goodness, you can just hang out with us all night long. We're gonna be new best friends. I don't know if you knew this or not, but
we're coming back to Nashville a lot.
Please do, and I'll come to LA a lot. Like it's okay.
Well, all right.
Woo!
Well, we can do that. We love to travel, and this is fantastic.
Amen.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for coming into our kitchen and being a part of this and our growing cauliflower family.
Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for having me. And it's so good. I'm like,
all right, well, we're going to stop rolling so she can start, you know.
And make sure you guys take a moment, subscribe to this channel. Yes. Then you will know whenever we get a new episode out, which is once a week.
Yeah, we're cranking them. All right, till next time, from our hearts to yours.
oh,
we'll see you.